In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Typeform in Elementor. If you're ready to transform your online forms and enhance your website's interactivity, then let's get started. First things first, head over to Typeform where you can log into your account. It's important to ensure you're using the right credentials to access all the features and forms you've created. Once logged in, navigate to your workspace and select the specific form you wish to integrate with your Elementor site. This could be any form you have previously created or a new one if you're looking to start fresh. With your chosen form opened, look for the Action button. Clicking this will unveil a range of options, but for our purpose, we want to focus on sharing the form. Click on Share to proceed. In the Share settings, you'll see various ways you can distribute your form, but since we're embedding it into a website, you'll want to click on Embed in a web page. Once you're in the embedding process, you'll be prompted to create a new embed code. Click on New Embed to generate the code you will need for integration. Don't worry, this will only take a moment. The next step is clicking on Start Embedding. This action will provide you with an embed code, which is essential for the integration process. This code is basically a digital key that allows your form to be inserted into your Elementor page seamlessly. Copy this embed code for safekeeping. Now, let's shift our focus to WordPress. Familiarize yourself with your dashboard because you'll need to navigate it effortlessly. Once there, you're going to initiate the process of creating or editing a page by clicking on the plus sign. This allows you to either add a new page or integrate into an existing one, depending on your needs. Locate the plus sign within the page editor. Clicking this will present various block options, and here you're specifically searching for the custom HTML block. This is a nifty tool that allows you to paste code directly into your page. Once you find it, click on it and paste the embed code you previously copied from Typeform. This step is crucial as it integrates the form into your web page, allowing users to interact with it directly. Lastly, either save your draft to review your changes or publish your page. Publishing makes the form live on your website accessible to anyone visiting your site. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Typeform into your Elementor site. It's a straightforward process that enhances your website's functionality, allowing you to collect data efficiently and interact with your audience in a more engaging way. Thanks for following along and happy form building.